The Advanced Lab Bottle Stress Cracking Strength Tester represents an important step forward in speed, efficiency, and operator safety. It comes in 3 models, capable of testing 8, 17, or 26 PET bottles simultaneously. With the push of a button, the operator initiates the process. Each testing chamber is made of super high-strength polycarbonate polymer of the type used in riot shields or fighter aircraft canopies. The chambers may be controlled individually from the touchscreen LCD display. After the empty bottles are placed in the test chambers, the top covers will close and seal. First, the bottles are filled with water, and then the outside chamber is filled with a sodium hydroxide solution. The bottles are pressurized, and a sensor ensures that the pressure is kept constant throughout the procedure. A timer determines the length of the test. Separate water and chemical storage tanks allow for recirculation and reuse of the fluids, making the unit economical and environmentally friendly. When the water and the test chemical are mixed due to a failed bottle, the liquids are automatically vented to a waste tank. In the event that a bottle bursts, all pressure and test fluids are vented out the back of the chamber and away from the operator, eliminating the hazards associated with manual testing. The pressure may be set up to 90 psi and is accurate to plus or minus 1 psi. The number of active stations, the size of the bottle, and the depth of the sodium hydroxide bath are just a few of the parameters that may be set for these test machines. Here are examples of some of the flaws that may be detected during the test. At the conclusion of the test, the fluids are drained back to the storage tanks for reuse. The operator has just tested up to 26 bottles in the time required to test 1 bottle manually, and has done so in complete safety. Comprehensive data has been stored for further analysis and may be exported into files such as Microsoft Excel or Access. After replacing the bottles in the test chambers, the operator is ready to conduct another series of tests.